40 minutes from now, depending on the traffic. It's a nice and warm afternoon in Doha with temperatures of 28 degrees Celsius, clear skies. Local time, if you have to check your watch, is 47 minutes past 4 p.m. On behalf of our crew, wish you a very busy stay in Doha or a smooth journey. It's been our pleasure having report today. I'd like to apologize for the late arrival to Doha. This was due to strong winds that we encountered in our route. Our ground